Hello and welcome to Relatable Code. In this video, I will show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDE, the Community Edition. If you already have it installed, feel free to skip this video. As we've discussed, this is the program that we will use for the Kotlin part of this tutorial. So I'm at the JetBrains website. I'll give you the link in the description. And we have two versions, the Ultimate and the Community Edition. The Community Edition is the free version that we will use. And this is how we install it. We click on the download button if we're on Windows. They also have a zip option. We're going to use the .exe option. So click on that download button. You will get navigated to this page and our download will start shortly. Our download didn't start shortly. They were lying. So this is the download. I'm not going to wait 25 minutes for it to install, so we'll fast forward the video and we'll continue with the setup. Okay, that took longer than expected. So we finally have IntelliJ downloaded. We go ahead and double click it. Now the installer will run. That's it. Okay, we'll click on next. We'll select the default location. We'll click next. Add a desktop shortcut. Why not? Add the path variable. I think we'll need that for the Kotlin part. Open folder as project. Yes, we need that. And with respect to create associations, we'll need .java and we'll need .kt for what as far as I know. Okay, that's it. We'll click on install and now we'll wait for it to install. Okay, so let's try to run IntelliJ now. That's it, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click on that. That's it. You'll get navigated to this window. Let's just try to create an empty project and check if the configuration is good. So go to new project. Just leave that name as it is. You might see untitled instead. Leave that default location. Choose Kotlin as your language. Choose IntelliJ for your build system. And with respect to the JDK, you might not have one installed here. I'll show you how to install a JDK from Oracle. Okay, so this is the Oracle website where we will download our JDK from. In case you're wondering, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay, we can't proceed with this tutorial without a JDK. It's a necessity. So you go to this website. I'll leave a link in the description. You scroll down. We're going to go for Windows. And we're going to install the x64 installer. Okay. Keep in mind when you want to download something from Oracle, such as this JDK, you'll need to create an Oracle account. Okay, that's a prerequisite, and that's the JDK downloading. Okay, so what happened was I was recording and I installed JDK already. But the recording was without sound. So I uninstalled JDK and I'll reinstall it again just so you can see the process. Okay, it's not complex. You just double click on that file. You click on the yes button. You click on the next button. We'll leave that at the default location. We click on next again and it's installing. It's worth mentioning that you can think of JDK as a shop, for example, that provides you with tools which you will use to develop the application. Okay, that's a general view. And now let's move on to IntelliJ. So we've downloaded the JDK. Everything looks good and set up. You just choose it from here. Choose that version 20. Keep add sample code checked by default and create that project. It should compile. That's our project. Let's maximize it. Okay, we don't need that for now. I think it's compiled. Let's just run it to make sure everything's good. We click on this green play button and we click on run main KT. Okay, it's running. That should be it. And that's it. Everything looks good to go, and that's how you set up your IntelliJ. If you like my content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.